There are many ways to make money from home, depending on your skills, interests, and available resources. Here are a few ideas. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money from home if you have a skill that is in demand. You can offer your services on websites like Upwork or Fiverr, which connect freelancers with clients who are looking for their skills. You can work on a project-by-project basis and set your own rates and schedule. 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a popular way to make money from home if you have expertise in a particular subject. You can offer your services through websites like TutorMe or Chegg, which connect tutors with students who need help with their studies. You can work on a flexible schedule and earn money by the hour. 3. Selling products online. If you have a product that you want to sell, you can do so on websites like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. You can also create your own online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which allow you to set up a storefront, list your products, and process payments. 4. Online surveys. Online surveys are a simple way to earn money from home. You can sign up for websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and get paid to take surveys on various topics. While this method won't make you rich, it can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. 5. Virtual assistant. If you are organized and good at managing tasks, you can work as a virtual assistant for businesses or entrepreneurs. Virtual assistants typically handle administrative tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media management. You can find virtual assistant jobs on websites like Upwork or remote.co. Remember that each of these methods requires effort and dedication, and it may take some time before you start seeing results. It's important to choose a method that suits your skills and interests, and to be patient as you build your business or clientele.